I'll start again, sorry. Got to remember what I am. What a privilege, you know, to be able to work with Google engineering, which is really on the cutting edge of what's possible with agentic solutions. Hi, I'm Jen Elliott. I'm the Chief Information Officer at Bunnings. Bunnings is a DIY retailer as well as a retailer that supports trades and commercial businesses. And we talk about, you know, being able to provide products that solve any problem from the front gate to the back fence. So our store teams are really known for their practical, trusted advice, giving customers real confidence. When we think about what that looks like for online experiences typically are more transactional. So customers, when they're trying to design projects at home or solve complex problems, often just don't know what they don't know. They actually understand what outcome they're trying to drive, but they probably don't know all the components to the problem. Being able to break that down for customers online, just in the same way, you know, they would have that experience in store talking to a team member, has been a real unlock. So really that gap in helping customers problem solve online is what we were trying to do with Buddy and launching an enhanced online experience. Buddy is our agentic shopping assistant. So you can just jump into Ask Buddy, whatever you want in terms of problems that you're trying to solve, things you're trying to buy. Buddy is built on Gemini Enterprise for customer experience. We've used, you know, the full platform for that. It just has features that we were trying to build ourselves in the sort of first gen chatbot that just comes straight out of the box, making it just super quick to release new enhancements and features for customers, including, you know, being able to take your handwritten list, and everyone knows, you know, you've written, you know, the things that you need on the back of an envelope, and just being able to take a snapshot of that and put it straight into your cart. So Buddy is just really there as a sort of a helping hand as you work your way through designing a project online. From seeing, you know, GECX and what their ambition was in January, working with your product teams, we did manage to bring that product to market in 6 weeks. Lots of the jobs that customers are seeking to undertake often require professionals. Think about electrical work, if you think about some aspects of plumbing, and actually a number of the items that we sell within store are dangerous goods. We worked with the GECX team quite deeply on how to build out those guardrails in a way that was repeatable and actually over time will become automated as we add, you know, new products that also require that kind of treatment. Buddy is already having an impact. So we're seeing engagement really grow with Buddy. We're seeing more than double the online conversion rate for transactions where we know that the customers use Buddy, and we're seeing a significant uplift in the average order value for those customers as well. I think we're just scratching the surface of what the possibilities are, so watch this space. With Google Cloud, Bunnings is creating a new way to bring our trusted in-store expertise into every customer interaction.